how to watch YouTube and still use other apps on your Android device. If you have YouTube Premium, you could just go to the settings and you can turn on the pop-up mode from which you can easily watch YouTube and still watch other apps. But if you don't have it, just go ahead and open YouTube. You can go ahead and play any song. So as you play any song and you want it to run in background, just go ahead and go to your home, swipe up from the bottom and tap on the tab. Now you can either drop it on the bottom, or if you want for the pop-up view, just go ahead and drop it. Now you can play whatever you want and you can still go ahead and use other apps. So guys, this is how easy it is to watch YouTube and still use other apps on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.